Hi everyone, today I will show you a full guide on how to fix something went wrong. Please try again, error of Roblox in 2025. Let's begin with the video. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Step 1. Start by clearing the Roblox cache. Just remove any leftover files that might be causing problems. Step 2. Reinstall Roblox. Uninstall it completely, then download and install it again from the official website. Step 3. Flush your DNS cache. This helps fix any internet connection issues that might be blocking Roblox. Step 4. Turn off any browser extensions. Things like ad blockers or VPNs can sometimes interfere, so try turning them off or use incognito mode. Step 5. Use the Roblox desktop app. It's more stable than playing through your browser, so download it from the Microsoft Store. Step 6. Update your system. Make sure Windows and all your drivers are up to date, especially your graphics drivers. Step 7. Temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall. If Roblox works after that, you can add it to your safe list. Step 8. Run Roblox as an administrator. This gives the app extra permission to work properly. Step 9. Reset your internet settings. A quick reset can solve hidden network problems. Step 10. And if all else fails, try using a different Windows account. Create a new one and open Roblox there. Follow these easy steps, and you'll be back to gaming in no time.